Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover the virus-affected files or data from any pen drive or external hard disk. The method is very simple. Just follow the instructions. Insert the USB that's giving you the problem. Open this PC. You can see or USB drive, there's a use space. Open your USB or external drive from here. As you can see that our data is not here. Only few unknown files are available over here. It means the data is inside the USB but affected by virus. In order to view the data, first of all, we will delete all these files that are displayed as icon. However, their type is application. So it means these files contain some virus because over here they're shown as folder, but over here their type is application. It means they're executable. So we will delete these files first. After leaving this file, let's move to next step. That is recovery of files. For that, go to Start menu, type CMD, right-click on CMD, click Run as Administrator, press Yes. Over here, tap the location of your USB drive. First of all, let's go and check that out. Go to my PC. Over here, you can see that our location is F drive. Our USB drive is F. In your case, it can be different. So you would have to type your own USB drive address. Let's go back to CMD. Over here, at the drive address that is F in our. Over here, that the address of our USB drive that is F in our case, you will type your own, colon, press enter. Oops, started mistake. Pat the command again. F, colon, enter. You can see that now our directory is open. Over here, we have to type a command. Type apptrim space hyphen s space hyphen h space /s space /b space star dot star and press enter. Wait for the command to complete. You can see that our command is executed successfully. So now let's go back and check our USB drive. You can see that a new folder has appeared. Open this folder. You can see all our data is inside this folder. Now you can copy or back up your data. That's it. We have successfully resolved our issue. If your issue is resolved, hit like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you're stuck or still having some issues, let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to answer your question.